If you already have traffic or an audience, but your sales are inconsistent, the problem isn't marketing, it's the system behind it. I'm Maik Kleinert, a certified funnel builder, and from the last 4 years, I've been installing sales funnels and back-end systems for course creator and high-ticket coaches. I'm not just another funnel builder. I installed complete revenue system. From the right platform to funnel, to offer, to automation, email follow-ups, course hosting, and community setup. Everything works together as one system. I don't advise or coach. I design and install the entire system so it is live, automated, and selling without guessing work. I have helped creators turn scattery traffic into predictable sales, coaches book more qualified calls, and experts launch fully automated course funnels in just days, not months. For example, I helped Peter turn 600k followers in consistent 3k per month course revenue, build Gil Petersil a completely automated course ecosystem from course development to launch, including a fully value ladder from a free lead magnet to a high ticket program in just 11 days. And I helped Ryan double his revenue from 10k to 20k a month in just 10 days after launching the system. Different business, same focus. Building conversion funnels and installing a clear system is the infrastructure that turns traffic into predictable sales. If you're looking for someone who works closely with you and your brand to design, build, copyright, and to install an entire funnel system so you can focus on your expertise and your clients, send me a DM and let's see if this is the right fit, and I will tell you exactly what system you need.